I am playing Epic Battle Simulator 1. Let's see the epics. I already played this game about 1,000 times. Sorry for the lag. I already bought these things. I just bought all of this all at once. No. What do you think? Levels or customs? Comment down below if you do want. Let's do some levels. I am in level 8. Let's with 700. Let me see what I can buy with 20 pesos. One fighter. Oh my god. Wow. We will lose so much. The customs. Giants. Samurais. Knights. Let us see if that can beat some M16s. This is some guys. Oh no. M16 must lose. What do you think I will do? Do you want some epics? These 2 epics versus 100 knights. I'll see you back there if I already close 100 knights. Now let's do this. 2 legendaries. So laggy. I think this will fly. Oh? This is for you guys. I know this will break my phone a lot. I will make this 80 people versus 80 people. 80 people versus knights. Vikings versus knights. Sorry for the notes. Not point for live watching because my brother's watching in the other side of the room. So laggy. I think my bro will broke. World War II. I want to be a ninja. So laggy. Sorry guys, wait. Welcome back guys. Actually my game froze with that thing. How about let's do some online battles. My name is Emerald if you want to play with me. When I'm playing or recording, you can play with me. You can play with me. Oh no. Wait. Oh. Ano naman? Wait guys. sorry guys. This is the end of my video.